Dear students, the topic is reflected light can be reflected again. Understand this topic easily after we will discuss one real-time example, dear students. If you visited a hairdresser, you sit in front of a mirror. After your haircut is completed, the hairdresser holds a mirror behind you to show you how the hair has been cut. Your back of image you see clearly in your front of mirror. How it is possible? A small mirror reflected your images first. After reflections of small mirror, the big mirror reflected your images again. So it is possible, dear students. When two mirrors are placed opposite to each other, the first mirror reflects light that falls on its surfaces. When it's reflected, falls on the second mirror, which reflects this light. The periscope used in submarine tanks makes use of two plane mirrors here. Now we will see how worked periscope. The tree is object. Object reflected the first mirror. The first mirror reflect the light rays and the false second mirror. The second mirror now reflected the light to our eye. Periscope also used by soldier in bunkers. Then we going to study about multiple images. We know that, dear students, one plane mirror forms only a single image of an object. But what happens if two plane mirrors are used in combination? There is different angles, different images formed here. First one, 45 degree, 7 images form. And then second one, 60 degree, 5 images form. And third one, 72 degree, 4 images form. 90 degree, 3 images form. And 120 degree, 2 images form. And 180 degree, 1 images form. And the last images is the plane mirror combined and having there are different number of images formed, dear students. If you understand this topic, two plane mirror you attach different angles, so different number of images form there is. If you activity having in your book 16.5, dear students, if you try your home in this activity easily. Okay, dears.